Gwnaf symud ymlaen ar ôl gadael ysgol. Gwnaf gychwyn ar fy ngyrfa. Wyt ti rhwng 16 ac 17 mlwydd oed? Wedi gadael ysgol, yn ddiwaith? Falle bydd hyfforddiaeth yn berffeth i ti. Mae'n wych. Beth am hyfforddiaeth mewn iechyd a gofal cymdeithasol enghraifft? Mae darparwyr hyfforddiant yn creu amgylchedd dysgu sydd yn union fel cartref nyrsio go iawn. Cyd addysgu sut i ddefnyddio offer meddygol, fel y teclyn i godi cleifion i mewn ac allan o'r gwely. Byddai'n ennill cymhwyster cydnabyddedig ac yn cymryd y gamau cyntaf at yrfa llwyddiannus mewn iechyd a gofal cymdeithasol.
We do lots of things. We learn how to hoist Jerry up. Jerry's our nursing doll. He's fab.
We help him out of bed, we give him a bed bath every morning. We put him in the chair through hoisting. So we've had to do our manual handling course. And we change him, dress him, take him to the toilet. The usual duties we'll have to do when we go out into the care profession.
Mae hyfforddiaeth yn rhoi cyfle i ti brofi bywyd yn y sector i ti am fynd iddo. Dyna pam mae'r profiad gwaith yn elfen mor bwysig o'r cwrs. Cei gymorth i ddod o hyd i leoliad mewn cartref gofal neu ysbyty lleol ac wrth i ti ddysgu mwy, byddwch chi'n dod yn fwy hyderus yn dy allu dy hun.
They help you get onto placements and they follow your progress really well as well. I'm now working at Cartref Nursing Home in Call. There's a full house which is 31 residents and there's 6 carers on every shift. It makes you feel happy and it makes you feel really proud to give them, put a smile on their face because some of them haven't had the greatest of lives and when you can make them happy it makes yourself feel a bit better then.
Mae hyfforddiaeth yn berffaith os nad oedd y ti'n mwynhau'r ysgol neu os nad wyt ti'n gwybod beth i'w wneud ar ôl gadael neu os wyt ti wedi diflasu ac heb unrhyw gynlluniadau pendant ar gyfer y dyfodol.
I left school and I went to college and then I came here because college isn't for me. I can't learn very well in a classroom full of people. Whereas I came here and there's not many people in this room, as you can see, and I get on with my work. My tutors are really helpful. If I need any help, I know I can just ask. It's easy to get on with your work, you don't get distracted, and yeah, there's help whenever you need it.
Drwy wneud hyfforddiaeth, cei amser i flasu gwahanol sgiliau bydd yn helpu i agor drysiau i ti os nag y ti eisiau parhau i ddysgu, mynd i'r coleg ar ôl gwneud hyfforddiaeth, gwneud prentusiaeth neu ganfod swydd.
My long-term plans is to start full-time work in a care home, start my level 2, complete my level 2, 3 and 4, and then hopefully go on to do my nursing degree.
The opportunities out there are endless, from this job. You don't just have to go into elderly care, you can do anything with it really. So I'd say go for it if anyone was thinking about it.
Felly, os hoffet ti symud ymlaen fel y bobl ifanc yma, rwyt ti'n gwybod beth i'w wneud, mynd ar gwrs hyfforddiaeth. Gwnaf symud ymlaen ar ôl gadael ysgol. Gwnaf ystyried hyfforddiaeth mewn iechyd a gofal cymdeithasol.